Hello, my name is Brian Mattox. I'm Senior Portfolio Manager here at Kendall Capital in Rockville, Maryland. Today I'd like to spend a few minutes talking about active versus passive investing. You may have heard about it on the news. It's always going to be a debate, when to use one, when to use the other, and it's always a really hot topic to kind of debate with someone. Let's first define on what active and passive management is. Active management is really as it sounds. It's a money manager making decisions, really digging into the companies, picking the best companies for you to invest in. And really the goal is to outperform the market, net of fees, and that's very important because the manager's fees can be somewhat high, but if they're performing or outperforming the market net of those fees, then you're to the advantage. And really that puts kind of the onus or some of the responsibility on the advisor to really do a lot of due diligence on these active managers and pick the best ones for you to invest in. On the flip side, there's passive management, and really all that is as it sounds. It's passively giving an index money, investing in an ETF, which tries to duplicate the returns of an index. One of the big advantages is it's cheap, but again, you're getting index exposure. There's no one really making those decisions on which companies to invest in. A good example you may have heard is the FANG stocks. So the FANG stocks are Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. They represent right about 50% of the S&P 500. So you're giving your money blindly to these companies. So these companies could be overvalued, and when they tank, so does the index. And really the goal of those passive investments is really just to capture that return. So you're going to get 100% of the upside, but then you're also going to get 100% of the downside. So in conclusion, here at Kendall Capital, we tend to lean more active. We feel that that's a better option to really have these managers make decisions, dig into the companies, and do a lot of due diligence. There will be some passive investments within the portfolio, so it could be a blend, but we tend to lean active. Thank you for watching. I'm Brian Mattox, Senior Portfolio Manager at Kendall Capital.